grüße dich, Nivu. Ich wünsche dir zu deiner Vermählung alles Gute, dir und deiner zukünftigen Angetrauten und ja, nur das Beste für euch zwei. This was in German, so now in English, so you can understand me. All the best for you and your wife for your marriage. It's a big step and it's great. I wish you all the best and have a great celebration. See you soon. Bye bye.
Hey Bhavika, hey Nivu, alles Gute zu eurer Ehe. In German and English, congrats to your marriage. I'm super happy and super excited for you guys. Even though I'm a little bit sad that I know I'm never able to live with Nivu again. And I'm very sad that I can't join the wedding ceremony. But I know you guys are gonna have a fantastic day with the others, so enjoy.
Доброго дня, Ніву та Бахіка. Я бажаю вам гарного весілля. Hey Nivu and Bhavika, I wish you guys a happy wedding. Greetings to all your family members. And in this day, you guys open a new chapter in your life that will be full of new emotions and adventures. Happy wedding, and listen, if you ever want to come and visit me in Florida, you're more than welcome. Bye!
Hoi zusammen! And congratulations on your wedding. I am so happy for the both of you that you found each other, and I'm wishing you lots of love and joy for your marriage, or as we say in Swiss German, ganz viel Liebe und Glück zu eurer Hochzeit. I can't wait to see you soon and sending you greetings from Switzerland. Bye!
Sia Nivu, sia Bhavika, sia Nivu, sia Bhavika.
Üdv Magyarországról!
Have a wonderful wedding, and we hope you're gonna have a beautiful life.
And we wish you all the best in your marriage, and of course a lot of kids. And hopefully our kids will be friends one day and we can all play together, travel together, and have a wonderful wedding again.
恭喜恭喜，结婚愉快。So wish you all the best to you and your wife, Bhavika. And sorry if I said the name wrong. But again, the point is that today is your big day, and I'm sure it's gonna be epic. And it's too bad I couldn't be there. But again, like the point is, you two and your family, everyone there, to have a great time and peace. Bye.
Namaskaram Nivu. Namaskaram Bhavika. Greetings from India. I know that probably everyone will tell you that they are really happy for you guys, but I'm not. Because when the friend gets married, you almost don't ever see him again. And I know that India is so famous for probably the most amazing cuisine in the world, and then that the wife can hold her husband just by his tongue and never let go him anywhere. So Bhavika, I know you're stealing a dear friend from us, but please at least don't make the guy fat. But in all seriousness, really wish you all the best. I'm really happy for you and wish you all the best in your future life together. Blessings.
Mi amigo, felicidades. Nivu, estoy muy contento por ti. Bhavika, me lo cuidas un montón. Bhavika, Nivu, congrats. I wish you the best in this marriage. I hope you enjoy it. You have a lot of fun. You have a lot of memories on this. And you know that if you want to pass your honeymoon here in Colombia, you are more than welcome.
Hello and greetings from Lithuania. I just want to congratulate you both with this amazing day and the wedding, and wishing you all the best, and hopefully to see you soon somewhere, and you're always welcome to come here.
Bhavika and Nivu, wishing you the most amazing and special celebrations with your friends and family, and congratulations on your big day. Hopefully our spirits will fly in India. Lots of love from South Africa. Peace out.
Hallo Bhavika und Nivu. Herzlichen Glückwunsch zu eurer Hochzeit. That means congratulations on your marriage. On this special day of your wedding, I wish you lots of happiness and love and any luck for your future together. I hope you will overcome all the storms of life and your love will grow even stronger. Nivu, I love to remember our funny and unforgettable time in Florida and many other countries. Bhavika, I'm glad to get to know you soon. See you!